We have heard many things about loving ourselves. Example, how can anyone else love you if you don't love yourself? Or, for good things to happen, you must first love yourself. However, do we really love ourselves? If not, how to love ourselves? Is it true that if we do love ourselves, our lives will change? Will good really happen? Watch on to find out. Hello there, welcome to the channel. Today we are bringing you the most admirable subject called How to Love Yourself. Let us start with few mythbusters. Indulging yourself is not self-love. In a situation involving other parties, making a decision to solely benefit yourself is not self-love. Hurting someone else for your own mental peace is definitely not self-love. So what is it? What is self-love? Always remember this. You do unto the world what you do unto yourself. I repeat. You do unto the world what you do unto yourself. When you start loving yourself, you don't need to try. You will end up loving everything and everyone around you. Magically, you will not have any enemies, and even your enemies would have utmost respect or even love for you. The universe will be on your side, and you will take care of the universe because you love everything just like you love yourself. Next important thing is, why self-love? Why do we need self-love? Well, the answer is simple. You want to be happy in your life, right? That's it. If you want to be miserable, then don't bother about self-love. You can skip this video right away. Now, we'll see what are the benefits of self-love. Among the innumerable benefits, we will just list out a few. Get over addictions naturally. Recover from most of the health issues naturally. To become happy and joyful always. To experience love. To make and keep your loved ones very happy. Have everything working out for you. To have lady luck on your side. Tremendous mental health and willpower. Next, we'll see the how part of the subject. How does the self-love work? Always remember, you do unto the world what you do unto yourself, and world shall do unto you. This means how you treat yourself is the way you treat everything around you. That's exactly how the world will treat you back. So, if you treat yourself with love, that is how you will treat everyone around you, and the world will treat you back the same way. Now, we'll explore the final and important factor of the subject, that is the practice. How do we practice self-love? Now, we request your undivided attention as we go through the further part of the video. Number 1. Stop complaining. Just stop it. If something is not good, if you feel you can or you will do something about it, then do it. Do not complain unnecessarily. Just no more complaints. Make your mind calm. If you look in deeper, you will notice you are being harsh on yourself as well. Whenever you let yourself down, you have been beating yourself up. It's a vicious cycle. When this comes on the surface, that's when you start complaining about things around you. Number 2. 10 points of gratitude to yourself every day. Write down 10 things that you are grateful to yourself for each day. Thank yourself with all your heart for each of those 10 points 3 times. When you are grateful to yourself, eventually you shall fall in love with yourself. You can thank yourself for good decisions you made in your life, good habits you have cultivated. Whenever someone tells you, thank you for picking yourself up in your difficult situations, for forgiving yourself for any mistake you made. Number 3. Whenever you look into a mirror or a reflection of yourself, give yourself a smile. You deserve it. and a thumbs up for the amazing person in the mirror. How long does it take to fall in love using this practice, and how long to continue it for? Well, it will take anywhere from 10 days to 3 months. Remember, this is a practice, it's a lifestyle. You make this a habit. It's 10 minutes for yourself. You can do this, and you must do this. Wishing you the great practice. See you in the next video. Thank you.